Bjorn, and today's May Day. Yay, May Day! So yeah, I'm gonna deliver everyone in my whole entire neighborhood May basket full of love and happiness. I don't know if you already realized this, but my mom got me a Fred shirt. She said that we can't afford to get a lot of shirts, so I'm just gonna wear this shirt for the rest of my life. No offense to you guys who have a ton of shirts, but it's more cool just to have one shirt. I hope I didn't offend anybody. Oh! And I almost forgot to say, I'm gonna give Judy a basket too. I don't know why exactly, but for some reason my Fred channel on YouTube says that I joined 2 years ago. If I would have joined 2 years ago, I would only be 4 years old. Do you really think I know how to work a computer if I was 4? Seriously, I thought you were smarter than that. So yeah, it wasn't actually my channel. I just was annoying YouTube and kept on banging on their, door. And finally they said, okay, we'll give you the channel. Time to go outside! Here I go. Let's run. Happy May Day! He threw the basket at my face. I spent so much time working on that basket, trying to make people happy. He threw the darn basket at me. Oh my god, look at this. I just realized that right behind me in my neighbor's yard, there's a dog kennel. You know how inhumane that is, locking your dogs in frickin' gates. How would you feel if I locked you in between gates and watched you from above laughing evilly? Dogs don't like it either. Oh my god, look at this kitty. She doesn't want to be discovered by me. Look at her run. Oh, it's a stray kitty with lice. Also, it bit one of the other kids in my neighborhood and gave him rabies. Oh my god, she just bit me. She just bit me and I'm foaming from the mouth. Okay, well, the moment you've all been waiting for, this is what I'm getting Judy for May Day. These cool underwear things. It's a new style for panties. They were my mom's when she was little, so I'm pretty sure Judy will be really happy getting to wear my mom's used underwear. Here I go. Judy, happy May Day. Here's your new panties.
Ew, get away.
How could you say that, Judy? Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. This is so embarrassing. I didn't get it on videotape, but Judy put the panties on my head. She's so mean. Yet so attractive. Whatever, I guess I'll give them back to my mom. I'm going inside my house and never coming back out. Nobody understands me. My May Day didn't turn out how I wanted to. Everything went wrong. I hope next year is better. I can't believe Judy threw panties on me. Okay, well that's all I have for you guys. So I hope all your guys' May Day was better than mine, okay? No need to rub it in how good your May Day was compared to mine. No offense. Okay, we'll see y'all.